Hey guys, it's Granny. It's math time. All boys, come one, come all. Come on, let's do math. It's Granny Davis and it's kindergarten math time. Now, Keegan, especially you, I'm only saying that, Ollie, because Keegan has been working so hard on learning how to count by 5, right? Yes, you remember. So at the end of this class, we're going to really focus on his ability to count by 5s. But before we get to that part of the class, I want to demonstrate a couple of concepts that I want you both to get, okay? Now, when you read, like in a book, with words, remember, Ollie, yesterday we talked about the difference between letters and numbers. When you read in a book, you're usually reading with words and letters. And you always read from left to right. You don't read a book going this way, right, Keegan? It wouldn't make sense, right? So you read from left to right. Well, it's the same way with numbers. So I'm going to demonstrate a couple of different number lines. And what I want you to take away from this is that, again, in a number line, you read from left to right. Here's an example of a number line. You can see 20, 21, 22. It's going up. When you go from left to right, the numbers get bigger. Yes, indeed. Another example of a number line. Another example of a number line. Okay? Now, what I think we're going to do is we're going to make our own number line. And Keegan, you're going to help me. So let's put our thinking caps on, okay? Okay, if you don't have your thinking cap with you today, the next time you watch the movie, be sure and bring your thinking cap, okay? Here we go. We're going to make our own number line. Now, you probably know what this is, right? Exactly. It's a roll of toilet paper. Now, we still can roll it out. And what do we end up with? A line. And if we start with numbers on this end and make them bigger going across, it's a number line, right? Okay. Now, Keegan, this is where your new skill is going to come in. We are going to talk about your ability to count by 5s to 100. Okay? I'm going to need your help. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slash every time you say one of the numbers. That's the multiples of 5 up to 100. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. I'll have to say it with you only because I can't hear you. And you can only hear me. So, okay. Ready? Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Are you with me? 60. Wait a minute. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. My fault. Sorry. 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Were you with me all the way there? Okay, now, here's where we're going to write a numerical sentence. Okay, that is a sentence using numbers. Count how many slashes do we have? How many multiples of 5 did it take us to get to 100? Okay, Ollie, you count with us too. Okay, I'll point to it and we'll go 1, 2, 3. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 multiples of 5 equaled 100. So now I'm just going to say, I know this is a little bit advanced, but the more you watch my movie, it's going to make sense. We're going to write a sentence now with numbers, and do you know what that's called? An equation. We started with multiples of 5 20 times, right? Times 20 equals 100. This is a mathematical equation. Thank you, everyone, today. Now class is over. Perhaps we'll have another math lesson or reading lesson. Maybe we'll do letters. Who knows what we'll do tomorrow? Okay. Thank you very much for attending my class. Bye-bye. Grandpa's got to turn it off.